Definitely won't be getting wet in this bad boy. Now that is an absolute stunner. The centre badge Nazlan Light Watros, and this one's a medium but definitely fits a large. You've got medium, large and XL available. What is happening, boys, and welcome back to Clobber Island. First of all, I just want to say sorry for not posting a video last week. We had Black Friday, it was absolute chaos. I'm a one-man band and sometimes just not enough hours in a week and I can't make the content, edit it and get it up, so I apologise, hands up. But we are back this week and we are back with another lovely stock drop, and there are some absolute bangers in here if I do say so myself. So without further ado, let's get in the video and see what will come this week. Right, boys, let's get into it. So up first, we've got this Stone Island soft shell 3/4 length in like a lovely purple colour. We've had a couple of these in already and we've gone and got ourselves another one. This one's in size extra large, comes at 25 pit to pit. It's obviously got that beautiful soft shell texture to it. They're absolutely gorgeous jackets, and for me personally, I do love the long length on these jackets. It's just something a little bit different, isn't it? You don't see a lot of these around. Then we've gone and got ourselves another nylon Rasso TC in this lovely blue colour. This one is in a size extra large and comes at 24.5 pit to pit. We've also got the exact same one in large that comes at 24 pit to pit. So we've got a couple there to choose from if you're like between 24 and 24.5 pit to pit. Then our next, we've got this insane Gore-Tex Pack Light parka. We've got this available in extra large and 2XL. And obviously, as you know, they don't make Shadow Project no more. So there's only a certain amount of brand new ones left. But yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. If you live in like a rainy place like the UK, this is something you probably want in your collection, and the fact that it goes all the way down to your knees as well keeps you extra dry on those very wet days. Bang it on and show you. Obviously this one's an extra large, I'm a large, so it's going to be way too big for me, but what an absolute thing of beauty that is. Definitely won't be getting wet in this bad boy. Now that is an absolute stunner. Up next with this nylon Rasso TC, and it's in like this auburny burgundy kind of colour. Really nice jacket. It's a quilted jacket, so it's quite heavy, quite insulated. It's got the Rasso texture on the outside. It is a large, but it definitely fits like an extra large. Tried it on myself and it's too big for me. So yeah, it's really nice. You've got these pull cords here as well, tying it up in the middle. Yeah, just an overall beautiful jacket. I've never seen one of these before. Stunning. Up next, we've got this Stone Island two-piece. It's kind of like a tracksuit. It's in a grey colour. The trousers are 32, but I think that stretches 34. And then the top is a large 24 pit to pit. So it's Prime Loft insulated. It's a buttoned up overshirt jacket type thing with these lovely trousers. They've obviously got Stone Island spell out on there and on the back, nice little detail in there. It does unfortunately have a little flaw. It's got a little black mark there, if you can see that. But we don't mind the factory floor, do we, boys? Especially when I'm knocking over £100 off of this on the website now. If you're looking for like a nice two-piece of Stony, it's a nice little addition to your collection. Up next, we've got the Stone Island white jumper in a 3XL. This one is brand new, but the tags have come off. That's the only thing. So I've discounted some money off the website, but definitely 100% brand new, never been worn. Up next, we've got this baby blue CP company hoodie. This one's in a size medium, 22 pit to pit though, I believe, so it's a little bit bigger. Some of the new CP stuff is definitely coming up a little bit big, so just be careful and check those pit to pit measurements. Next, we've got this yellowy orange OVD jumper. Got the white kind of bleach marks there, as you can kind of see. These ones are like the lightweight summer ones. It's a 3XL, but it's only 26.5 pit to pit, so I would say this will probably fit nicer as like a 2XL. If you're looking for like a bit of a looser fit as a 2XL, it's probably the perfect fit for you. We've got the Bio Base Ripstop down jacket. This one's in like a lilac-y purple colour, size extra large. These have been really popular. These have been flying out. So we'll see if anyone fancies this kind of colour instead. Nice bright colour. Maybe for those summer months it gets a little bit warmer potentially. I think that is an absolute stunning colour. And in real life it looks a hell of a lot better than it does in video, but oh well. Yeah, really nice smart jacket that. Obviously insulated as well. Then we got these bio-based ripstop primer loft jackets. These are in like a navy blue colour. We've got medium, large and XL available. They're really like smart jackets. They've got the collar. They're buttoned up, so they're quite casual, quite relaxed. Something to wear maybe over a hoodie. I think that'll look really nice. Obviously, yeah, prime loft insulated, so they will keep you warm as well. We've got a pre-loved black CP company t-shirt in an extra large. We've got this ghost quarter zip knit kind of style jumper. To be honest, I'd say it's more like a soft cotton type jumper. It's a quarter zip with a button, really nice, in this lovely beige colour, size extra large. I think it's 25.5 pit to pit though, so just bear that in mind, it does come up a little bit big. Then we've gone and got some Supima cotton twill windbreakers. We got a beigey cream one in extra small, but will fit a small. We've got this nice sage green one in 2 extra large. We've got this black one in medium, and then we got an orange one in extra large. I would say just check the pit to pits and all of them, because they do come up a little, some come up a little bit big, some come up a little bit small. Just make sure you're checking on the pit to pits. But they are really nice, like everyday jackets you can wear whenever. Pop them to the shop, just bang that on, you're good to go. Then we've got this stunning mint green soft shell in an extra large, really nice, smart jacket. Now that on there looks like a mad colour, don't it? What a beauty. Got this nice lime green jumper in a size extra large. And then we got a couple Naslan light Watros. This one's in like a peachy, yellowy kind of colour, I'd say. It's got the shoulder badge on it. This one's a medium. I'd say it fits like a bigger medium, potentially a smaller large. And then we got another one of these bad boys in the centre badge Naslan light Watros. And this one's a medium, but definitely fits a large. So if you're like a large, true size large, even a bit of a bigger large, this will fit you. It's 22.5 pit to pit. And it's an absolute stunner. Up next, the micro reps are back. These are the long parka style ones without the hood. Lovely, smart jackets, but these ones are in like a deep purple colour. We've got these available in large and 2XL. And then we got this other micro reps, a much deeper purple than the other one. This one is a little bit shorter and it's got the hood on it as well. And this one's a size large, and I think that is absolutely beautiful. Love a micro reps. Probably one of my favourite jackets of Stone Island, not gonna lie. Like the standard badge one, that's probably one of my favourites, the micro reps. I think they look absolutely stunning. I think the finish on them is banging. Then we got this nice lime green hoodie in large, and we managed to get one of the ghosts back, and this one's in a 2XL in khaki. And these have been absolutely flying out, so we've still got a few left. I don't know how many more I'm going to be able to get, so if you do want one, make sure you pick them up. They're really heavy duty, like nice winter jackets. Up next, we got a Naslan light Watro, and it's a bit of a different style. It's more like an overcoat, smart London look kind of vibe, Peaky Blinders or fucking gangster type shit. This one's in navy blue and it's a 2XL. We got a yellow hoodie in XL, and then we got this absolute stunner. This is a Pertex Quantum down parka coat in a large, but it's 24.5 pit to pit. Unfortunately, it does have a couple little holes there. It's got a little hole there. Other than that, it's in really nice condition. This one has already sold very quickly. Yeah, they're really nice jackets, but they're really hard to find without any holes in them. And then we got a micro reps down in large. This is in overall very good condition. It's got a tiny little pull there. No downs coming out of it or nothing like that though. It's just a little bit of damage to the outer of it. Other than that, it is in pretty good condition for a pre-love coat. And I've taken quite a lot of money off that on the website for you as well. So if anyone wants that nice winter coat, I've got one of these myself, my favourite coat ever. Up next, a black CP company jumper in extra large. This has a little factory floor on it. Look really closely. It's got like a little scrape kind of mark there. You wouldn't even notice it because it's black, but obviously I've taken money off that on the website for you as well. So that's 24.5 pit to pit in XL. I was really tempted to keep that black jumper myself, but it's a bit too big for me, so one of them. It'll fit one of you. Up next, we've got this micro reps jacket in a purple colour. This one's in extra large and it's got the hood and everything, but it's 25.5 pit to pit, which is very big for an extra large. So I genuinely think that could potentially fit a 2XL or a big XL. If you're a normal XL, I won't risk it. It's very big unless you want an oversized jacket. And then we've got a Lucido TC in yellow. These are mental jackets, aren't they? Like, they're completely fucking see-through. That is mad. What a nuts jacket. But I'll tell you what, they're very popular and people love them. And if you're wearing like a sick outfit on underneath and you want it to be seen through it, I get it. I think it would look fucking sick. But what a mad jacket that is. And that is it for this week, boys. Make sure you check the website, clobberisland.co.uk, to see what stock is on there. Obviously, these YouTube videos come out after I upload my stock, so make sure you're just checking it out. I'd say weekly. We don't have a set day for when stock comes because it depends on when it actually gets delivered from duties and stuff like that. So it's a bit of a nightmare, so I can't give a set day. But yeah, I'd say check every few days because the website has always been updated anyway. I appreciate all you watching. If you've got any questions about any of the items, just drop me a message on Instagram at Clobber Island. I'll be more than happy to help you. Make sure you hit like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Peace out, boys.